Saw a lot of sunshine again today up until about now, but we've got lots of sunshine at least for your Saturday, and warmer than average temperatures are going to continue. 13 weather ball remains green, so no change to the kind of weather pattern we have seen, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Temperatures upper 40s and low 50s away from Lake Michigan. Downwind of the lake, it was cooler. You can see on the other side of the lake where the wind is not coming off the lake, we were just as warm as we were in southeastern lower Michigan. Came within 1 degree of our forecast high. We've done that 3 days in a row up through today. In terms of the weather down in South Haven, from the South Haven Visitor Bureau camera there, all of the shore ice is gone and it's now retreating. Also up in the Grand Haven area, Lake Michigan down 2 inches in the last month. We're still about 2 feet above the long-term average, but we're 10 inches below last year's record high levels. And we are going to start to go up now. This is the seasonal rise as we start to get a little more rain and snow in into the watershed. All of the active weather this evening is down to our south. That's going to pass to our south. There's going to be more thunderstorms over west central Texas, and that snowstorm still slated for northeastern Colorado because this storm system is going to provide the uplift and about 1 to 2 feet of snow in through there. That's also going to slow down and change how our precipitation is going to move in here. Later in the day on Monday, it looks like we'll have some falling apart snow, and as this kind of rotates through again later on this next week, we're going to start to see some rain Wednesday night through Thursday, and then eventually we'll start to dry things out and warm things up all the way through the next weekend into the following week. In terms of the snowfall, here's that bullseye of snow. This has not changed at all from the European model, so they're expecting 1 to 2 feet, maybe a record March snowfall for them. We're going to get a little bit of light snow here late Monday evening through Monday night. Most of that will be melting. Originally, we thought that might be just far enough to our south, but it's just going to clip the southern areas. Look at this long range outlook that comes out every Friday from the end of the month through the first 10 days of April. Everywhere across the country is going to have higher chances for warmer than average temperatures. So this looks like an early warm up, and just about everywhere is also going to see higher chances for less precipitation. Warm and dry expected for that 2-week period coming up at the end of March. Highs tomorrow will be in the mid-40s, a couple of degrees warmer at the lakeshore. Winds will be turning around to the south. South winds up north as well. You'll hit the mid and upper 40s. Nearly all of your snow on the ground is gone, and we'll be in the upper 40s and low 50s here in the greater Grand Rapids area as our winds eventually turn on to the west briefly. 13 on your side forecast. Monday afternoon, Monday night, maybe some rain or snow that will melt by Tuesday afternoon, and then Wednesday night rain with falling temperatures next Thursday. The following weekend looks clear and dry and warming back up into the upper 40s to mid 50s.